So student, today we are going to see some more results from the lesson ratio and proportion. Okay. In the previous period, I have told you that what is ratio, then what is the meaning of proportion, then I have discussed with you continuate proportion, and we have seen how to solve problem by using your K method. Now here in this part we are going to see some useful results on ratio on proportion. Okay, so what we are going to see is some useful results on ratio and proportion. Okay, so very first property is called as our invertendo property. This names you may feel little funny, but this all names we have to study, so don't take it as fun. So very first property is which? Invertendo. Okay, now let's see how this invertendo property is applied. This is first one. Okay, A upon B equals to C upon D. If we are applying invertendo property, so it is written as what? B upon A. This means your denominator will become your numerator and numerator will become your denominator. So here B upon A equals to D upon C. You can see after applying to this proportion terms, our invertendo property, the numerator becomes denominator and the denominator becomes the numerator. Same on the both the side. Here D, which is in the denominator, now it has gone in the numerator, and C, which is in the numerator, it is gone in the denominator. So this is which property? This is our invertendo property. Then the second property is alterendo. Alterendo. Okay. By the names only you can understand. Invert means what? Reversed, ulta. Okay. So here we have done that. Now here alterendo property. In alterendo property, if the terms are A upon B equals to C upon D. Now if we have to alter it, what we will do? This both the terms will come on one side, means both the terms numerator will come on the one side and both the terms denominator will come on the other side. So how it will be, you just see, so it will be clear with you. A upon C. You can see both this numerator, how I have written it, A upon C, and this will become equals to B upon D. These are very simple properties, very simple property, and its application is also very easy. So don't complicate it and make it difficult for yourself to understand. Okay, then the third property is componendo. Componendo. Okay, now see this property again. If the terms are in proportion, for example A upon B equals to C upon D, then after applying componendo property, what we will do here, these terms A and B, we will add it, A plus B, and the denominator will be same. Okay, same way here, numerator and denominator we will add it, C plus D divided by the D. This is which property? This is your componendo property. Then let's see the next one, that is your dividendo property. Next property is which? Dividendo. Dividendo. Okay. Now here, if the terms are in proportion, okay, so what it will be? A upon B equals to C upon D. And when after applying dividendo property. Like in the componendo property, we are adding the two terms. Now here what we'll do? We'll subtract it. So what it will be? A minus B divided by B equals to C minus D divided by D. So this is which property here? This is your dividendo property. Now let's see the next property, which is the last property, and which is called as what? Componendo. Componendo and dividendo. Componendo and dividendo. Now you can see the name itself tells you that it is a combination of two properties, that is componendo and dividendo. So here what we will do? If the terms are in proportion, like A upon B equals to C upon D. So we have to apply both the properties, that is componendo and dividendo. Componendo means what? Addition of these two terms, divide. Okay. So what it will be? A plus B, and in the denominator it will be A minus B equals to C plus D divided by C minus D. Now you can see here we have applied addition also and subtraction also. Okay, so this is your which property? Componendo and dividendo. So all these properties are very important. Okay, so you have to learn this all property. You have to learn this all properties. If you will not learn this property, it will be difficult for you to solve the exercise problem. Okay, so before starting with this exercise problem, your very first task is to learn all this property and you understand each of the property very thoroughly. In invertendo, what it is happening? The terms are getting inverted. Okay, like A upon B, it becomes B upon A, and C upon D, it becomes D upon C. Same way in the alterendo property, the terms are altering. Okay, like A upon C and B upon D. In the componendo, what is happening? The terms are getting added, like A plus B divided by the same denominator. In the dividendo property, the terms are getting subtracted, like A minus B divided by the B, and so on. And the componendo and dividendo is the combination of your both the properties. Okay. Now let's see this problem. In this problem we have that A is to B equals to C is to D. Then you have to prove that this. So whenever we have to prove that, whatever it is given, that part we will take. Okay. So what is given? Given is A is to B equals to C is to D. Whatever the terms are given, that given part you take it and you move ahead for your solution. Now this A upon B is to C upon D. I will write it as in the ratio form. So A upon B equals to C upon D. If I will see here, with the A what is there? 9, and with the B what is there? 13 everywhere. Okay. So what I will do, these terms I will multiply by 9 upon 13 to both side. So what I will get it as 9A upon 13B equals to 9C upon 13D. Okay. Now if you can see here, the upper term is plus and the lower term is minus. So here which property you will apply? Then you apply your componendo and dividendo property. So using componendo and dividendo, what we will get? 9A plus 13b divided by 9a minus 13b equals to 9c plus 13d divided by 9c minus 13d. If you can see, this is your proof that part. So, hence proved. Isn't it very easy, very simple? Okay. So, now let's see the next problem. Now, let's see this third problem. In this problem, if you see, the given part is this, and you have to prove that A is to B equals to C is to D. So first let's write it, whatever is given to us, and then we'll proceed so you can understand how to solve it. So 3a plus 5b is to, I will write it in the form of upon 3a minus 5b equals to 3c plus 5d divided by 3c minus 5d. Now here again we will apply to this one more time our componendo dividendo property. So let's apply our componendo dividendo property. So by using componendo dividendo, okay, 3a plus 5b plus 3a minus 5b divided by 3a, I'll keep first bracket, then I'll remove so that it will be more clear to you. 3a plus 5b minus 3a minus 5b equals to 3c plus 5d plus 3c minus 5d divided by 3c plus 5d minus 3c minus 5d. Now open the bracket, 3a plus 5b, here plus sign is there, so this will also remain plus only, 3a minus 5b divided by 3a plus 5b. Now this will become minus 3a, minus will become plus. So plus 5b equals to 3c plus 5d plus 3c minus 5d divided by 3c plus 5d minus 3c plus 5d. Now here if you see this 3a plus 3a, it will become 6a, and plus 5b and minus 5b will become 0. Same way here 3a plus 3 and minus 3a will become 0, and 5b plus 5b 10b. Here 3 plus 3c and plus 3c will become 6c, and this plus 5d and minus 5d will become 0. Same way here plus 3c and minus 3c will become 0. So in the denominator what we will get? 5d plus 5d, okay, means 10d. So let's write it 10d. Okay, now here what we will do, since we have to remove 6 upon 10 from both the side, so what we will do, we will either you can multiply this both the terms by 10 upon 6, okay, or you divide both the term by 6 upon 10. It's up to you, whichever you want to do. I am dividing this term dividing both sides by 6 upon 10. So what here we will get? 6 upon 10 divided by 6a upon 10b equals to 6 upon c divided by 6 upon 10. Division is there, so this will become what? Reciprocal, and in between there will be multiplication sign. So 10 upon 6 into 6a upon 10b. You can do directly also, no problem. Okay, I am doing it step by step, so each one of you, whether it is a weaker child or a brighter child, they can understand it more clearly. Okay, so here this will be 10 upon 6 into, sometimes if I will do directly, so some may get confused at how it is coming. Okay, so that's why I am doing step by step. So here 10 and 10 cancel, and here 6 and 6 cancel. Here 10 and 10 cancel, and here 6 and 6 cancel. So what we are getting? A upon B equals to C upon D. It means what? A is to B equals to C is to D. Hence, proved. Okay. In all this problem, you have to do each of the steps very carefully. Then only you will understand this. Otherwise, you will find it difficult to do. Okay, so it's up to you. Okay, don't make it complicated. Okay, think this all problems are easy, so it will be easier for you to solve. Now let's see this problem. Fifth one, here it is given to you MA plus NB is to MC plus ND equals to MA minus NB is to MC minus ND. Here what we will do, first let's write the given part. Okay, what is given to you? MA plus NB divided by MC plus ND equals to MA minus NB divided by MC minus ND. Now here if you can see this in these terms, MA plus NB and MA NB, these are what? On the alternate side. Okay, so which property we will apply? We will apply our alterando property. Okay, so alterando property will be applying. Okay, so after applying, what it will be? MA plus NB, MA minus NB is equals to MC plus ND divided by MC minus ND. Now after this, plus and minus are there, so again apply using componendo dividendo property. So this will become MA plus NB plus MA minus NB divided by MA plus NB. This will become minus MA. Now I am doing directly so that you can understand it, and minus minus will become plus. So this will be NB equals to MC plus ND plus MC minus ND divided by MC plus ND minus MC plus ND. Now this plus NB and minus NB will become 0, plus MA and minus MA 0. Here same way, plus ND and minus ND 0, plus MC and minus MC 0. So what we are having with us is MA plus MA, means twice MA divided by twice NB equals to twice MC divided by twice ND. 2 cancel. So what we are having with us is MA divided by NB equals to MC divided by ND. Now dividing this by m upon n. Okay, so when you will divide this by m upon n, so m upon n divided by ma upon nb to both sides, okay, equals to okay, then here this will become reciprocal. Now cancel m and m, n and n, m and m, n and n. So what we are having with us, a upon b equals to c upon d. This only we have to prove. So hence proved. Isn't it simple? Isn't it easier for you to understand? Okay, so it's very easy for you also to understand. Now let's see this problem. Just in this problem, the initial step is little tricky, but once it is clear with you, you will find it easier to solve. So now let's see what it is given to us is. It is given to us is x equals to 6ab upon a plus b. So x equals to 6ab divided by a plus b. Now 6ab means what? I can write it as 6 as 2 into 3. 2 3s is 6. A plus b as what I want here in the, if I will see in the left hand side, I want x and 3a. Okay, x plus 3a. So I can make its factor as x equals to 3a into 2b divided by a plus b. Okay, now what I can do is this 3a I will bring in the denominator over here so that my target will be completed. Okay, x upon 3a equals to 2b upon a plus b. Now here what I will apply? Here I will apply my componendo dividendo property. Okay, here I will apply my componendo dividendo property. So let apply and see. So what I will get then, x plus 3a divided by x minus 3a equals to 2b plus a plus b divided by 2b minus a plus 2b minus a plus, okay, minus b. Okay, so now x, this is clear with this, x plus 3a divided by x minus 3a equals to 2b plus b means 3b plus a, and here this will be what, 2b minus b. 2b minus b means b minus a. Now since what I have got is x plus 3a and x minus 3a, now again the same thing I will be using it, and I will find out the terms in terms of x plus 3b. So let's do it. So x equals to 6ab upon a plus b means it's equals to what, 2 into 3 ab divided by a plus b means it equals to what. Now what I want is 3b. Okay, what I want is 3b. Okay, so here what I will do, x upon this 2a I will bring it in the denominator. No, I want is my 3b. Okay, what I want is 3b, so 3b I will bring it in the denominator, and then what will be left will be 2a. Again apply here componendo dividendo. Okay, again I am applying. So what I will get, x plus 3b divided by x minus 3b equals to what, 2a plus a plus b divided by 2a minus a minus b. So I will get x plus 3b divided by x minus 3b, which equals to 3a plus b. And here 2a minus a means a. So a minus b. Now here this values, okay, from 1 and 2. I will take it in, I will substitute in my LHS. Okay, what is my LHS? X plus 3a divided by x minus 3a plus x plus 3b divided by x minus 3b. So I am substituting it. So what I will get now, in place of from 1 I have substituted this. Okay, here 3a plus b divided by a minus b. Now if from here I will bring my minus sign common, so what it will be, 3b plus a divided by b minus a plus minus sign common from the denominator, so it will be 3a plus b divided by b minus a. Now both the denominator, if you see, it is same. Since both the denominators are same, so we can take it as 3b plus a minus 3a minus b divided by b minus a. Now 3b minus b means 2b minus 2a divided by b minus a. Now you take your 2 as common from the numerator, what is left will be b minus a. So b minus a divided by b minus a, this and this will get cancelled. So what is your answer? 2, which equals to what? Your right hand side. So hence proved. Okay, isn't it simple? I hope you all might have find it out as easy. Now look here children, this problem, this is very simple problem, but sometimes when you see these roots, you all thinks that it's very difficult for you to solve. Okay, but it's not the same. You have to go out in the same way. Okay, since top is plus and the denominator is minus, so use your property, which very first you take your given part. Okay, you take your given part, under root x plus 5 plus under root x minus 16 divided by under root x plus 5 minus under root x minus 16 equals to 7 upon 3. Okay, now here what we'll do is we will use our componendo dividendo property. So by componendo dividendo, you look children, you see it's very simple. Automatically the terms are getting eliminated. X minus 16 plus under root x plus 5 minus under root x minus 16. But sometimes we are not trying only, that's why we find it difficult. Here also denominator plus x minus 16 minus under root x plus 5, this will become minus and the next term will become plus the root x minus 16. Same way here, 7 plus 3 in the denominator, 7 minus 3. Now here if you see x minus 16 and x minus 16 gone, plus minus will become 0. Here x plus 5 under root x plus 5 and minus under root x plus 5 will become 0. So what we are having with us, twice under root x plus 5 divided by twice under root x minus 16. You can see within 2 steps The problem is now simplified. Okay, 7, 8, 9, 10. 7 minus 3. 4. This 2 and this 2 cancel. Now since I have to remove this root sign, so what I will do? Taking square on both sides. Okay, so what I will get? Under root x plus 5 divided by under root x minus 16. Now square I have taken. Okay, equals to what? 10 square divided by 4 square. Square and root cancel, square and root cancel. Okay, and this will become what? X plus 5 divided by x minus 16 equals to 10 square means 100 and 4 square means 16. Okay, now here what you do, again also we can apply here componendo and dividendo property, or you can just cross multiply and then also you can solve it off. So I will just cross multiply and I will try to solve it. Okay, I'll do it here only. 16 into x, 16x plus 16 into 5. 5 6 are 30, carrying 3. So plus 80 equals to 100x minus 1600. So 100x minus 16x equals to 80 plus 1600. So 100 minus 16 means 4. 184 equals to 1680. So x equals to 1680 divided by 184. So you reduce it. So now here 100x minus 16x will give you 84x, which equals to 1680. Okay, when this you will divide it 1680 by 84, what you will get? This I'll just cross out. So you will get x equals to 1680 divided by 84. When you will reduce it, you will get your answer as 20. So we are getting what? X equals to 20. So hence proof.